enjoying. Daniel here, and I think you guys see something different with this video, hopefully, and that is a blurry background and me in focus. So how am I getting portrait mode on video right now on the iPhone? So thanks to this app called Focus Live, it brings portrait mode to video on your iPhone, which is really amazing. And I'm surprised that Apple hasn't done this already for video mode and has only done this for portrait mode on their photo app. I mean on their camera app, but not for video. So thanks to this app, you can now have a blurry background, which is really amazing, of course. And as you can see, it's doing a really decent job of blurring the background a little bit and making me in focus, my face and my body in focus, which is really cool. Now, so let's talk about this app. So like I said, the app is called Focus Live, and it's a free app you can go and download right now in the App Store. And there is an in-app purchase. So you have two ways to buy the in-app purchase. So you can either subscribe per month, or there is a lifetime purchase, which I did. And so what that unlocks is some pro features, of course. I don't know what type of pro features it really unlocks. It doesn't really do a good job of explaining what pro features you get to use and what you don't get to use. But because I have the pro features, I bought the lifetime version of the app, so it doesn't really matter to me. But I wish I could explain it a little bit better to you guys. So the app, of course, you can use the front-facing camera to record portrait mode, of course, on video, or you can use the rear-facing camera as well. And it also supports the ultra-wide lens as well, but it doesn't really do a really good job on portrait mode on video with the ultra-wide. But with the rear camera, it does really a good job as well, blurring out the background as well. I've been doing some tests, of course. I did some tests with this app with the Apple Watch to see if it could focus only on a small little item like the Apple Watch. And it actually did a really decent job as well. So there is another cool feature with this app, of course, is built-in filters as well. So if you want to record with filters, there's already comes some pre-filters already that you can use as well, which is really cool. Also, you can export in 4K. You can export 30 frames a second, 24 frames a second. You can export, I think that's one of the pro features right there, is the exporting of in 4K and all that stuff. But I'll have to make sure, of course, in the comments below, if you guys have questions, I could probably answer them there. Now, there's another cool thing with this app, and that is there's a built-in video editor already. So if you don't have a high-end video editor like Premiere, or you just don't like using the free versions, that even though there's a ton of good ones in the App Store, it's cool that there's already a built-in video editor, which is actually really cool and amazing. It's really powerful as well, and there's still some stuff that's missing, of course, but I think the developers will be adding some of those features in the coming weeks or months, because I think this app is really cool that it's allowing you to bring portrait mode but to video on your iPhone, which is really cool. So yeah, hopefully, the only thing, of course, I don't like about this app, but I guess there's some computer stuff that goes into this with making this app, is that it's not live portrait. So when you're recording this video, when I'm recording right now, everything here is on focus, everything. So I think after I'm done recording and it does the processing, it does it in the background right there, where it blurs out the background and keeps me in focus. So yeah, so when you're recording your video in the app here with Focus Live, everything is in focus. So you're just hoping and praying that it does a good job of blurring out the background and keeping you in focus. And I haven't had any problems with the test I've been doing. So yeah, it's just really cool that now you could do portrait mode, but for video. And I'm pretty sure Apple will be releasing this feature soon on their camera app, but for video. But for now, you can now use it on the iPhone 11 with this app, Focus Live, and you can export these videos in 4K, which is really cool. and there's a built-in video editor as well, so that's another plus with this app. And so yeah, if you guys are looking for a cool app to record some cool videos of you talking on your iPhone, for your YouTube videos, or to record other stuff as well, and you want a blurry background but in video mode, then I highly recommend you guys go check out this app, because it is an amazing app. And like I said, the app is free, of course, but there are some pro features, of course, that I highly recommend you guys maybe go and purchase if you guys want to really take full advantage of this app. So that's it for now, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace. I hope I was in focus.